This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza with PS5 players. It's important to understand that Forza is a flagship racing series developed exclusively for Xbox consoles and Windows PCs. This means that, unfortunately, PlayStation 5 players cannot directly participate in Forza game sessions with Xbox or PC players. The game's architecture and online services are built within the Microsoft ecosystem, preventing direct cross-platform play between these distinct gaming platforms. The primary reason for this limitation lies in platform exclusivity and business decisions. Microsoft owns the Forza franchise, and it serves as a key exclusive title for their Xbox console and PC gaming platforms. PlayStation and Xbox maintain entirely separate online gaming networks, each with its own infrastructure and user base. Bridging these two distinct ecosystems for a first-party exclusive title presents significant technical and business challenges, making direct crossplay unfeasible. While Forza isn't available on PlayStation 5, there are many fantastic racing alternatives for PS5 enthusiasts. Titles like Gran Turismo offer a highly realistic and immersive racing simulation experience, exclusive to the PlayStation platform. Additionally, many other multi-platform racing games are available that might offer crossplay with other console users, though not with Xbox players for Forza. You have a wide array of high-quality racing options to explore on your PlayStation 5 console. The gaming landscape is continually evolving, and crossplay is becoming increasingly prevalent, especially for third-party titles. While direct console exclusives like Forza typically remain within their respective ecosystems, many other games now allow players on different platforms to connect and compete. Always check the specific game's features and developer information to confirm its crossplay capabilities. This trend suggests a more connected gaming future, even if some exclusives remain platform-locked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.